I want to explain the best way to get rid of acne scars. Vitamin E oil. If you have scarring from acne, like I did, I had really bad acne in high school, and I wish I would have known what I know now back then, because acne is so easy to get rid of if you know how. For those of you that are watching that have acne, I put a link down below for that, but this video is primarily on the scarring that can occur after you get acne. If you're going to use vitamin E oil on your face, I would highly recommend going with some organic brand, hexane-free. Go high quality. Now, I don't have any brand that I recommend. You're going to have to do that research. But vitamin E has a really significant effect on fibrosis, breaking down scar tissue. Now, the studies that I looked at relate more for cirrhosis of the liver, but I have personally observed quite a few people experience positive results using vitamin E on their scars, including acne scars, because vitamin E is a very powerful antioxidant. It's fat-soluble, so it goes into the skin. It's an anti-inflammatory. It can break down scar tissue. It can even help certain wrinkles on your skin. So this is what I would recommend doing. I would take some vitamin E, rub it into the skin for about 1 or 2 minutes right before you go to bed. I would do that every single night for about 2 to 3 weeks, and you should see some breakdown of that scar tissue. Now, if you combine this with healthy keto and intermittent fasting and periodic prolonged fasting, I think you're going to even get better results, because if you're consuming a lot of carbs in your diet, that is going to block the effect of vitamin E, and it's going to make your skin age a lot faster. When you do fasting, especially prolonged fasting, your body goes through this thing called autophagy, where you're recycling old damaged protein. So the body will start to clear out the old dead cells and replace it with the new. So it's a really good anti-aging action. Now, when you do prolonged fasting, I would suggest you would do this every 2 weeks or each month, where you're fasting for at least 72 hours, even longer, to see the maximum benefit. For more information on that, I put a link down below. Before you go, if you have a question about a product, or you're new to keto and you want to know how to begin keto, or you're on keto and you need a debug because it's not going as smooth, I have a keto consultant standing by to help you. This is just for the people in the US. Hopefully in the future we'll be able to answer everyone's call, but I put the number down below so you can call and get some help.